Welcome back everybody, Bearded Griller. Today's been 3.5 months in the making. Had another prime rib I started dry aging. Ended up making 107 days this time. We started with 10 pounds, 3 ounces. It went down to 7 pounds, 8 ounces for about a weight loss of about 27% if my math's correct. It looks good. I'm not going to leave the rind on it this time. We got just a little bit of some white growth on the outside, not a lot. The seal on this got broken early, and from everything I read on Umai's website was basically that if it smells rotten, it's rotten. If it smells dry aged, smells good enough to eat it. Let your nose be the guide. Once again, I want you to do all your own research. I don't want anybody getting sick and getting mad at me. So let's cut into this beast. Look at that. It smells nutty, beefy. Definitely tell the difference from last time. Cut these guys about 1 inch today, maybe 1.25 inches. I'm just going to go ahead and cut them all, and then I'll go ahead and trim the edges. Alright, got those all trimmed up. Ended up with a staggering almost 60% weight loss. I went ahead and weighed these back up after I trimmed them. I don't know if that's quite so normal with the trim. I don't think I had anywhere near that result last time. I'll have to check back to the other video and look. Just going to throw some salt and pepper on them. Throw them in the sous vide here. I got the sous vide warming up to 132.5. Leave them in there for about an hour. We'll pan sear them in some duck fat. See you guys in about an hour. Here we are, an hour later. Steak spotted dry, looking good. You see this pan smoking hot. Give these guys about a minute and a half on each side. Here we are, an hour later, got our nice sear on them. 107-day dry aged ribeye. So you can see, perfectly cooked edge to edge, nice color. Hit these guys with a little bit more salt. Trying to showcase the flavor of the dry age. I don't want to go crazy. Adding other flavors and stuff to it. Definitely less moisture than the 65-day, but not in a bad way. Much more pronounced beef flavor. It's almost got a sweetness to the nuttiness that the 65-day didn't have. Really, really good. I don't know how else to describe it. It's delicious. If you get a chance, hit that subscribe button, like button, share it, do whatever you want. If you like what I'm doing, let me know. See you next time. Bearded Griller.